The only thing that could tear down the house of the dragon was itself.
Admit my confusion. I do not understand why petitions are being heard over a settled succession. The only one present who might offer keener insight into Lord Corlys's wishes is the Princess Rhaenys.
Indeed, Your Grace. It was ever my husband's will that Driftmark pass through Selenor to his true-born son, Lucerys Velaryon. His mind never changed, nor did my support of him. As a matter of fact, the Princess Rhaenyra has just informed me of her desire to marry her sons Jace and Luke to Lord Corlys's granddaughters, Baela and Rhaena. A proposal to which I heartily agree.
Well, the matter is settled. Again, I hereby reaffirm Prince Lucerys of House Velaryon is heir to Driftmark, the Driftwood's throne, and the next Lord of the Tides.
You break law and centuries of tradition to install your daughter as heir. Yet you dare tell me who deserves to inherit the name Velaryon? No. I will not allow it.
Allow it. Do not forget yourself, Paymond.
That is no true Velaryon. And certainly no nephew of mine.
Go to your chambers, you have said enough.
Lucerys is my true-born grandson. And you, no more than the second son of Driftmark.
You may run your house as you see fit, but you will not decide the future of mine. My house survived the doom, and 1,000 tribulations besides. And gods be damned. I will not see it ended on the account of this. Say it. Her children are bastards! And she is a whore.
Will have your tongue for that.
He can keep his tongue.
Disarm him!
Mini,